Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am SUBRATO DASGUPTA, wishing you Happy New Year to all. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to play LAMBADA KAOMA. It's a wonderful melody, very sweet tune on D minor scale. So you have to play this tune on middle octave D minor. Yes, this is your D minor scale, okay? So that's the position, that's the octave, that's the placement, okay? Now this 4-line, 4-space melody. So let's look at the first line. The note A to A on 4 string 7, D string 7 to E string 5. But you have to play on slide 3rd fret to 5th fret on E string. Then 5 note. B string 8, B string 6, B string 5 and G string 7 and G string 5. So then on G string 7, B string 6, B string 5 and G string 7. Then yes, this is G string 5, 7, 5 on this way. This is D string 7, 5 and slide to 7 again. So look at the first line very carefully. Once again. And then second line. The second line also similar. Okay. So first 2 lines. 1, 2, re. Re. Okay, so first line we have to play twice. Now I am telling you the notes. Yes, A, G, F, D, C. Then D, F, E, D. Then C, D, C. A, G, G to A. Okay, clear? Then the second phrase. This is B string 8. 6 to 8, slide, back to 6, this is D string 8, then D string 8 to G string 7, then E string 5, third to fifth, this is slide. Again B string 8, B string 6 and D string 8. Starts from here. Okay. Then G string 7, B string 6, B string 5 and G string 7. Then G string 5, G string 7 and G string B string 5. G string 7 to 9, back to 7. Once again, look carefully. Okay, once again, this line you have to repeat again. And the last phrase, yes, this is G string 7, G string 9 and G string 10. This is similar also. G string 7 and B string 5, B string 6, back to G string 7. So 2, 3, 4. Now I am telling the notes. This is G and F, and this is also F. G, G, F, F, and F to D. Again G to A glide, back to G, F and F. So total phases. And then D, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, D, E, F, E, D. You can play in this style also, or in these styles also, on hammer pulling. 7 to 9, then 9 to 10, G string, all in G string, on hammer pulling, back to G7. Okay, so I am playing the whole melody once again. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So that's the Lambada Kaoma, and you try. If you face any trouble, if you have any question in your mind, any confusion, so please do comment in my comment box and I will solve your problem. Have a good day.